Welcome to your next tutorial. Actually, you know what? Get rid of yogurt. And this is kind of a mistake on my part. I shouldn't have done yogurt. I should have done something else. Type in refractor, or no, wait, just type in over here. Right click, refractor, rename, and let's type this in as animal. And animal. And this will make so much more sense than having it as yogurt. It was my mistake for doing that. Also for interfaces, unlike enumerations, I just type them in normal. Enumerations I always do capital. And for these types I always do capital too. I think that's common. Interface animal and people. See, it makes so much more sense as a person implementing animal and passing in eat yogurt. In fact, actually, no, you know what? Get rid of this right now. And for now, let's make a new class called new class, and let's name this monkey, or no, you know what would be a better idea? Dog, right? Finish. So we have dog, and we're going to make this implement. How come that's not spelled right? Oh, implements. Oh God. Animal, right? Okay, so this is gray interface, whatever, but as you can see in animal, you have these brackets, so obviously your interface must be more important than just, you know, having an implement stuff and passing in the object. It is important, because with interfaces what you can do is you can add methods in, and if you recall, if you watch my C++ tutorials, you're going to be making a method declaration, not a you're not be typing out the body. So for now, let's just do void, or no, write the string sound, a sound that an animal would make. So now if you run this, it's like, okay, whatever, nothing happens. Oh, errors. And the reason for that is because here's the thing: all people objects share these, correct? If you were to make a Bob object, they'd have get height. If you make a Susan object, they would also have get height. They'd have all of these. All people objects would share these. The same goes for animal. Every animal object will have a string sound, but people implements animal, so this also needs a string sound, and so does dog. I'll go for the dog one first because it's not so crowded as people. So if you wanted to, how you would do that is you take the method declaration like that, and you would add the body in dog, so that the string sound and dog sound would be different than people, because dogs make different sounds. And just make that public. Don't make this static, and the reason is because we're making different dog objects. Or, you know, you could make this static, it really doesn't matter. No, wait, no, you can't. I forget, interfaces cannot have static. See? It cannot have static right there. So, because, let me explain this real fast. A static, if this was going to be static, if interfaces allowed static keyword, then the dog's string sound would be the same as the person's string sound, but dogs make different sounds than humans. So, just return woof, right? Like that. And in person, we're going to be making a object, the same thing, string sound. And does that look right? Is that, no, that's lowercase. So if you make that lowercase, okay. String sound and return fart. I don't know. Humans fart. So you might be thinking, okay, this is really confusing. Practice with this for a while. I'm still not done with this tutorial. Let's make a method down here called public static void make sound. It's going to take a animal object, an or whatever, and if you recall, all animal objects, just like all people objects, have these. All animal objects will have these, no matter what type of animal it is. So right here, if you do system.out.println and sound, because all animal objects will have that. Not all animal objects will have int height or that, because we didn't declare it in here. All people objects will have these, but not all animal. All animal will have these, and I don't know if that's confusing you guys. So how you would do that is, since both people and dog implement animal, remember you can do make sound new people 13 Genmeister or something, and you will notice, okay, fart. Genmeister just farted because okay, implements animal and string sound, and so happens that string sound is a fart. So we done, okay, animal.sound, since we're pressing a person object, it's going to return a fart. And just to show you, if you done make sound, and I know I'm confusing you guys, I just know it, new dog, like that, woof, and yeah, see, animal object, right? Something else you can do with interfaces, if and equals people, and I don't know why that's giving an error. No, I don't know. You know, new people. No, I don't know. I'm not gonna go into there because that's a little more confusing. Also, that was your tutorial on making methods in animal. If you wanted to, you could also do string color, right? And people do public string color and return. I don't want to sound racist. It's just multi, right? Multi, or like that, multi. Okay, and dog. So public string color. I don't know. I have a black dog, so orange. So I'll just return orange. Okay, and then if you wanted to, you could say public static void, say color, take an animal object, and dot color. And if you wanted to, you could just copy this, paste, say color, right here, I'm running out of time, say color, say color. Okay, you run it, okay, and then it says multi and orange. That's correct. That is your part 2 interfaces tutorial. I think I might do some C++ tutorials right now. Until then, see you guys later.